So this problem ties in with rationalizing your denominators. Now we know how to do that. So we're going to take each one of them separately. So we'll sort it separately. Well, let's just evaluate the first one. Okay. So I want to rationalize the denominator. Particularly, I just don't want irrational numbers. So when I rationalize the denominator, this is what I have. I'm going to multiply by the conjugate in terms of 1. So multiply by 100, the square root of 100 minus the square root of 99. It's going to be in the denominator and the numerator. I'm going to go ahead and evaluate that. So I have to do FOIL for the denominator. So it's going to be square root of 100 times square root of 100, square root of 100 times square root of negative square root of 99, square root of 99 times square root of 100, and square root of 99 times negative square root of 99. That is going to simplify into 100 minus 99. And in my numerator, I still have that square root of 100 minus square root of 99. Well, I can simplify 100 minus 99. That's just 1, all right? So that's going to be 1. So essentially, I don't have a fraction anymore. So I'm going to do the same thing. Let me try this one. Okay, the next one. I'm going to write it out too. 1 over the square root of 99 plus the square root of 98. Again, I'm going to rationalize that denominator, multiplying by the conjugate in terms of 1. So it's the square root of 99 minus the square root of 98 all over the square root of 99 minus the square root of 98. Same thing, I'm going to FOIL that denominator. First, outer, we do it. Multiply the first numbers, the outer numbers, the inner numbers, and then the last numbers. That is going to give me 99 minus 98. And on top, I still have that square root of 99 minus the square root of 98. And again, that denominator cancels out. So you may have recognized that pattern by now. That pattern is all of these fractions are going to turn into not fractions. And because the difference in the denominators will be 1 when I rationalize. And my numerators, or what I have left because I no longer have fractions, it is going to be my first term minus my second term plus my first term minus my second term. So it's going to keep going like that. The first term minus the second term. First term minus the second term, you keep going. So let me write some of what that would look like down here. So of course, I would have 100, right? I get that from here, all right? And then, well, I get that really from here, okay? I get that from here, right? And then I'm going to subtract the square root of 99. I get that from here. And then in my second term, I'm going to add the square root of 99. I get that from here. And then I'm going to subtract the square root of 98. And I get that from here. And if I keep going, I can recognize that pattern. It's going to be plus the square root of 98 minus the square root of 97 plus the square root of 97 minus the square root of 96. And that's going to keep going on and on and on and on until I get to that very last one. That very last one is going to be, I'm going to write it, but it's positive. I'm not going to write minus the square root of 2, which is canceled out with the term right before it, plus the square root of 1. I'm sorry, minus the square root of 1. See, I told you, me and negatives. There you go. Minus the square root of 1. So what that means is negative square root of 99 is going to cancel out with positive square root of 99. So those two are going to go away. Oh, let me make them go away. So those two are going to go away. And then I have that same thing. Negative square root of 98 plus square root of 98. It's going to go away. The next few terms are going to go away. And then I didn't write it, but of course that negative 96 is going to cancel with a positive 96. And then this is what I'm left with. I'm left with the square root of 100 minus the square root of 1. The square root of 100 is 10. The square root of 1 is 1. Your answer is 9. So these challenging problems did tie in actually quite well with the work that you were doing in terms of rationalizing denominators and factoring.